In the previous video, we understood the selection cursor in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that the selection cursor is a cursor inside the drawing area, and it helps us to pick points, select objects, choose directions, and work accurately. Now, in this video, we'll understand the navigation bar. The navigation bar helps us to move around drawing. It gives us the tools for zooming, panning, and changing the view. Hi, I'm Dipan, and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the navigation bar in a simple way. The navigation bar is usually located in the right side of the drawing area. You may see small tools for navigation like zoom, pan, orbit, and other view controls. The main purpose of the navigation bar is to help you to move around with the drawing. For example, if you want to zoom in to see small details, zoom out to see full plan, or move from one side of the drawing to another, navigation tools can help. So, the navigation bar is not mainly for drawing objects. It is mainly for moving around and controlling your view. One of the most important navigation tools is zoom. Zoom helps you to look closer and further away from your drawing. If you are working on a small detail, you can zoom in. If you want a full-scale drawing, you can zoom out. In AutoCAD, you will use zoom all the time. But here is an important beginner tip. You do not always need to click the zoom tool from the navigation bar. The easiest way to zoom is by using your mouse wheel. Scroll mouse wheel forward to zoom in. Scroll mouse wheel backwards to zoom out. This is faster and more natural when you are drawing. Another important navigation tool is a pan. Pan means moving around the drawing without changing the zoom level. For example, if you're looking at the one room in floor plan and you want to move to another room, you can pan across the drawing. Again, use the pan tool from the navigation bar, but the easiest way is your mouse wheel. Press and hold your mouse wheel, then move across the mouse. That will pan the drawing. So remember this. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom. Press and hold the mouse wheel to pan. This is one of the most useful habits in the AutoCAD. Near the navigation bar, you may also see the ViewCube. The ViewCube shows directions like top, front, left, right, and other directions. This is more helpful when working in 3D. Since this course is focused on beginner 2D drawing first, we don't use ViewCube much right now. For 2D drawings, we mostly stay in the top view. So don't worry if the ViewCube looks confusing. Just know that this helps you to control drawing views, especially in a 3D work. Navigation is very important because AutoCAD drawings can be large. A floor plan, a site plan, a mechanical drawing, or a building layout may have many details. You may need to zoom in to edit one small area, then zoom out to check the full drawing, then pan to another side. If you are not comfortable with zoom and pan, AutoCAD will feel difficult. But once you get comfortable with the navigation, moving around the drawing becomes easy. So before learning advanced tools, make sure you are comfortable with zooming and panning. Now let's understand one simple thing. The navigation bars give you buttons for zoom, pan, and view controls. But in the real work, most AutoCAD users use mouse wheel because it's faster. The navigation bar is useful to know, but your mouse wheel will be your main navigation tool. So as a beginner, don't depend on the clicking buttons. Practice using the mouse wheel from the beginning. It will make your workflow much smoother. So let's quickly summarize the navigation bar. The navigation bar is usually located at the right side of the AutoCAD drawing area. It helps you to move around your drawing. The zoom tool helps you to look closer or further away. The pan tool helps you to move around the drawing. The ViewCube helps you to control direction, especially in 3D. For 2D drawing, we mostly work on the top view, and the fastest way to navigate is by using your mouse wheel. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open any drawing in AutoCAD. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in, then zoom out. Now, press and hold the mouse wheel and move around the drawing. After that, look at the navigation bar on the right side and move your mouse over the icons. Read the tooltips and see what each navigation tool does. You don't need to change any settings today. Just practice zooming and panning until it feels comfortable. So, this was the navigation bar in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that navigation helps you to move around the drawing comfortably. You will use zoom and pan again and again while drawing, editing, and checking your details. So in the next video, we'll understand the UCS icon. The UCS icon shows the X and Y direction inside the AutoCAD, and it helps us to understand the direction of the drawing space. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the UCS icon in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.